If you want to learn how to cut videos in CapCut, then this tutorial is for you. Before we begin, when you are editing a long footage, the process of cutting and removing unwanted parts is a very time-consuming process. That's why there is an AI video editing tool that does exactly this task for you. It detects the gaps and the bad takes of your footage, cuts all of them out automatically for you, which is really helpful and time-saving. You can find more information about this tool at the end of this video. Okay, so let's say that you want to split this video into smaller parts. Currently, it's one single video. To split or cut a video on CapCut, you need to drag this white line on the frame that you want to cut. Or you can click with your mouse button and it does the same thing. After you are ready, then click on this button here, which says split. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut by pressing on Command B for Mac users and Control B for Windows users. And this is how you can cut your videos easily. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and next you can watch this AI tool tutorial.